A breaking update coming in while the India bloc that has been putting up a united front ahead of the elections, the differences, however, seem to be getting more clearer in Kerala at least. Weeks after the Kerala Chief Minister questioned Rahul Gandhi's Mandir visit during Pran Pratishtha and accused the Congress of not having a clear political stand, he has now trained his guns at the Telangana Congress Chief Minister Revanth Reddy for praising the Prime Minister and hailing the Gujarat model. Addressing a public rally, Kerala Chief Minister said the Congress should be ashamed, saying the Congress and the BJP are now following the same ideology.
നല്ലത് രാജ്യത്ത് കോൺഗ്രസിനുള്ള ഒരു മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി അത് തെലങ്കാനയുടെ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയായിരുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹം ഇവിടെ വന്ന് തിരിച്ച് തെലങ്കാനയിൽ പോയി. തെലങ്കാനയിൽ ചെന്നിട്ട് ആദ്യം പറഞ്ഞത് എന്താണെന്നറിയോ? നരേന്ദ്രമോദി തനിക്ക് വലിയേട്ടനെ പോലെയാണ്. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? മോദിയെ വലിയേട്ടനായി അംഗീകരിക്കുന്ന മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി. ഈ ഇവിടുത്തെ പ്രതിപക്ഷ നേതാവ് അടക്കമുള്ളവർക്ക് നാണം എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒന്നുണ്ടോ? സാധാരണ മര്യാദ അനുസരിച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന കാര്യമല്ലേ അതൊക്കെ? ആ മര്യാദയാണോ തനിക്ക് വലിയേട്ടനാണ് നരേന്ദ്രമോദി എന്ന് മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി പറയൽ? അതല്ലേ തെലങ്കാന മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി കാണിച്ചത്? അപ്പോ അവിടെ നിർത്തിയില്ല. തെലങ്കാനയെ ഗുജറാത്ത് മോഡലിൽ വികസിപ്പിക്കണം എന്നാണ് അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞത്. തന്റെ ആഗ്രഹം അതാണെന്നാണ്. എവിടെയാ വ്യത്യാസം? എന്താണ് BJP-യുമായുള്ള വ്യത്യാസം?
Well, we have Jayalakshmi joining us live right now. Jayalakshmi, how do we understand? Because it will create further more differences, especially when it comes to the left and on the Congress party. And of course, it is now being said that probably Rahul Gandhi will be contesting from Wayanad again.
Yes, certainly. In fact, that is exactly what the BJP in the state has also been questioning, the amount, the way CM Pinarayi Vijayan lashed out on Congress yesterday. We clearly heard how he, questioned Telangana CM's stand on supporting BJP, PM Modi's Gujarat model of development, that when he said it in Telangana, and in fact that is what CM Pinarayi Vijayan questioned yesterday. He said that the Congress is clearly having double standards and that they are trying to follow the BJP model and their policies, and that how different are they from BJP and their model of policies. That is what the CM is questioned. And in fact they have been constantly questioning. CM has attacked Congress regarding the same fact, that how different are they from BJP if they cannot take an own way of development, or if they cannot create their own policies, or if they cannot have a
but Jayalakshmi is straight away comparing the same ideology with the Congress and the left and the BJP. This is something which is actually unheard of.
Yes, clearly, as we know that the left and the Congress in the state have constantly having controversial difference of opinion between each other, and even though they are united on the central front in the state, they have always been against each other.
Please do stay on with us. Mr. Tom Vadakan is with us here on the broadcast. Sir, good morning to you. Pinarayi Vijayan of Kerala's Chief Minister, sir, questioning the Congress party, saying that the party is unable to take a stand on Mandir. In fact, their own Chief Minister from Telangana is praising Prime Minister Modi and calling him his brother. So now they have been comparing. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan says that Congress and the BJP are two sides of the same coin.
What can you answer on that? Pinarayi is now on election mode, and he is fighting against the Congress. So he is trying to find out where all there is going to be a mix and match. But I think he should leave the BJP out of this, this combativeness which he has developed. He is one person who's got about 15,000 lakhs. In 8 years, he's only been able to get employment for 5,000 people plus. If that is the Chief Minister talking about being the correct picture of a Chief Minister who understands governance, one can understand. But here's a man who's just basically finding faults with the opposition party. The Congress has its own arguments that they will place. The candidate selections have all been very indicative. They are on a very competitive mood.
Right,
that
sir.
being a part, and they're supposed to be alliance partners elsewhere.
That is the question, sir, that is being raised. If they are actually alliance partners, then how can actually Pinarayi Vijayan call, when it comes to the same ideology that the Congress party is following, that of the BJP? Thank you very much, Mr. Vadakkan, for joining us here on the broadcast. As far as the Chief Minister of Kerala is concerned, because he's not make such harsh points for the first time, he's rather questioned the Congress party and its stand when it comes to the Mandir issue. Listen in.
അയോധ്യയിലെ മോദി പ്രതിഷ്ഠക്ക് പോകുന്നു. കോൺഗ്രസിന്റെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട നേതാവ് രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി അതേ ദിവസം ഒരു ശ്രീരാമക്ഷേത്രത്തിൽ ധ്യാനം നടത്താൻ സമരം ചെയ്യുന്നു. ക്ഷേത്രത്തിൽ പോകലും ധ്യാനിക്കലും ഭജന നടത്തലും എല്ലാം വ്യക്തിപരമായ കാര്യമാണ്. അത് അവരവരുടെ ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ ചെയ്യാം. അതിനൊന്നും എതിരായിട്ടല്ല നമ്മളാരും പറയുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ ദിവസമേത്, ആ സമയമേത്, അന്നിത് നൽകുന്നതിലൂടെ ഉയർത്തുന്ന സന്ദേശമേത്, അതല്ലേ പ്രശ്നം.